Good morning, guys. Woo, the sun is strong. We are leaving camp this morning and we're heading out to Mount Rushmore. And man, I'm excited.
Yeah, I know you feel that fire. You know we got it smoked out. I know you hear them sirens. 'Cause when we here, it's never cold out. Yeah, we about to start a riot.
At this point, we were just enjoying the scenery. There wasn't much talking going on with the anticipation of seeing Mount Rushmore. We just could not wait to get there. Okay, so finally, after the long stretch of road, right beyond this bend here on the right side, you're going to be able to see Mount Rushmore, and it's very clear. You can pull over to the side. There's plenty of room for you to just hop off your bike if you want to take some photos. Just watch the oncoming traffic behind you, and it looks so beautiful. So we're going to hop off here, take some photos. Alright guys, we're coming up on Mount Rushmore. Stay to the right. Concession parking. $10. $10 for motorcycles.
Wonder if
Autos, buses, RVs. All right. I don't got nowhere to stick this thing. Look straight ahead. You missed the heads.
I saw him.
Oh, we'll be in shade. Thank goodness. All right, I'll catch you guys when we get out there. All right, guys. So I took the elevator up. Not gonna lie. So we are at Mount Rushmore National Memorial. And you can definitely see all presidents' heads from the road that we just came in on. I don't know where everybody went. Okay, so we're going to be going down the walkway with the flags. Okay. I see a restroom. I'm going to stop in there. All right. Pit stop before we go all the way up. So this is the entrance. We'll kind of show you guys where everybody is from.
Yeah. In the last few hours.
Wow,
What kind of Mount Rushmore is this without any movement?
wow, I don't even see Connecticut.
Yeah.
Oh, it's up here somewhere.
Yeah, let's get the whole thing covered.
Okay. All right, guys. We're entering in here. Okay, we made it.
So did you see how they did this?
I have one.
They're hanging from cables. You know how hard it is to actually this way. They're going this way.
Okay, so if you look beneath the heads down where it looks like a ton of gravel is, right below that, they will actually let you walk up to that point, but you can't go farther, obviously, but you can go behind there and walk through the trees up into the beginning of the falling rocks.
Here are joined the strength and wisdom of humankind, strength and majesty.
Adjusting the model to fit the realities of the mountain. Borglum dramatically changed the form and style of the model 9 times to allow for cracks and changes in conception. A stone sculptor's greatest challenge is to avoid cutting away too much rock, since once it is removed, it is impossible to replace. By constantly reworking his scale model, Borglum was able to test his ideas and manipulate the look of each face before they were actually cut into the mountain. Once Borglum was convinced of his artistic direction, he would measure the model and transfer the dimensions to the mountain, using an ancient sculptor's tool called the pointing system. This technique enabled him to take three-dimensional measurements of the model and transfer that exact information to the mountain. A bar connected to a protractor was attached to the top of the model's head. Attached to the mountain. The bar extended out over the faces could be rotated to any degree. A weighted camera extended down. This represents bar. This bar is positioned and this process was repeated thousands of times during the creation. Now, from the 60th model, since even small differences may become exaggerated, so transfer of the situate faces on the model.
to say that our visit to Mount Rushmore was truly a spectacular one. I didn't expect everything that I saw, and I had such a great time. Fun fact is I didn't know that Connecticut was the 5th state added to the Union. Do you know what your state was? Check it out. I'm sure you'll be intrigued. Coming up next.
Got it. See if it'll come up. Stop. Stop. Put in neutral.
I'm not putting it in neutral. You out of your freaking mind? Guys, he's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know you feel that fire. You know we got it smoked out. I know you hear them sirens, 'cause when we hear it's never cold out. Yeah, we about to start a